How to log in to Hellenic Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch any web browser or search engine on your mobile phone or PC. Then just search for Hellenic Bank on the search bar. Now just select the link that is on top, which is the official website of the bank. Now once you're in the website, you can see a lock icon at the top right corner. Select your account type if it's business or personal. Okay, now let's wait for some time. Just tap on allow all for now. Okay, now you are in the login portal of Hellenic Online Banking. You have to enter your username and accordingly enter your password, and then just simply tap on login so you can be signed up to your Hellenic Bank account. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, you can see the option of reset now just beside forgot password. Just tap on it. Now you can see this option of reset password at the bottom. Let's tap on it again. Okay, now you have to select your account type over here. If it's personal account or business account, then you have to enter your username here. And if you scroll down, you can see steps in order to recover your account. By following these steps, you will be able to recover your account and log into your account again. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.